So I just came over here at Keith's again because we gotta fix something. He was sitting there like an old man. Very disgruntled. Oh man, I wish I would have caught it when I first came in. Oh man, this is my guy, man. Oh, gotta get it in here real quick. I got a bunch of cars in here today. Well, that's his Hellcat, his BMW over there. I'll tell you guys what we gotta fix when we get out. This is why I gotta come out the car recording. What'd you say? This is why I gotta oh man. I'm so worried about recording. I got my charger still hooked up. Huh? He said I'm gonna get pulled over. Why would you put that on me?
It's illegal to ride around blue lights and red lights.
I'm a rebel. You didn't know that?
I know that.
I'm a rebel, man. You like it?
I like it a lot.
No, that's orange. It's not red. It's not.
The demonized were red blue.
Well, they are blue. No, it's because, well, they look.
They're blue.
It looks good though, right?
Oh yeah, it looks real good.
I just finished doing the, I just came from that guy Tyler, who did them. He finished the grill and put the other piece in here. The other part, because he burnt them up. Well, they burnt up last time. So, do you have yours in the grill? You got some in the grill too? So they put them right here, basically.
I got one up underneath there, and then I got one up underneath there.
Oh, okay. But this one shines. Well, he put them right here. It's like 2 loops. And it showed. Right. What's up, bro? Somebody else. Man, my car is super dirty, man. Riding in the rain. You're lucky, man. Cat, man. Make sure you guys go check him out. Cat, of course. Oh, it's not aired out today. That's weird. First time it's ever seen a park and not aired out. So what's going on, man? Again, you guys see, that's Keith. So we got to come back and we got to fix the little carbon fiber strut again, because it keeps coming off. Now, I want you to go to tell them what you told me over text message. That why they keep coming off?
Because you're hard on shit. Mine hasn't come off not once.
That's because you don't drive your car though. All I do is drive. This is his BMW, by the way. His wife. Well, this is your wife's car, right? You said?
Yeah.
His wife's BMW, nice and clean, all outside the rain. God, yeah, I should have been home, but I gotta get this stuff fixed. And he has the carbon fiber stuff. Look at his toys, man. He's supposed to be taking me out on this one of these days, but every time he goes, he doesn't tell me. Or actually, he tells me, he just doesn't invite me. But I'm supposed to be going out on this sometime soon, man. Hopefully get some footage for you guys as well. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens if he actually keeps good on his promise. Take me out. Oh, look at that fancy. Look at that. That's fancy. That's on the on the front. Oh. Oh. That must be pretty cool at night, man.
Same thing. I can make them go.
Oh, for real? That's dope, man. That's cool as hell. Man, this thing is super tall. Man. Yeah, like I said, man, hopefully one of these days he'll actually take me out and not just tell me he's going to the woods, but actually I could go out here and bring some footage for you guys. It's pretty cool, man. Oh my, okay, these are, so he just got some new wheels for his truck. Jesus Christ.
Fit me some of this on.
Man, you could. Oh my God. When I say that's a solid piece of chrome, Jesus. Or not chrome, it's polished.
It's a billet.
Yeah. Damn. That's gonna look good, man. That's a tire chrome. That's gonna look.
They're gonna blow them out.
That's gonna look good. If you guys remember, man, last time we were here, I showed you guys that truck lifted out there. Is it out there right now? Yeah. Actually, let me go show you guys what that's going on. So it's gonna go on this. So he has a lifted F-150, and it's gonna go on this right here, man. Actually, it's not an F-150. I'm sorry. What is this? F-250? Power stroke 6.7. Yep, F-250. So that's what this is gonna go on. All right, man. Let's go over here and fix this stuff. All right, guys. So hopefully I don't get copyrighted by this music, but so what happened is, so last time, right, they were giving me the, I guess the cheap, what do you want to call it, the, I don't know what you want to call it, man, but let's just say they weren't giving me their 100% best of what they could do. Now, what happened is, but when they were wrapping it before, they were wrapping it basically just right on the stick, right, so it was coming off because it wasn't together. So now what he did this time was basically overlap it so it stick to itself. And he's putting some heat to that one over there. And he already did this one, so hopefully it sticks, man, because now, like I said, it overlapped, so it should bond to itself instead of just sticking to the strut thing itself. So we'll see if that works. I meant to bring some glue so that way I could glue it down, but I forgot to bring it, so that's all good. But this should be sticking good because this is meant for, this is off of his stripes that he ordered for his car. So it's meant to bond, we just gotta get a good surface for it to bond on, or stick to, so see what happens. Man, she looks so good. Anyway, man, Mr. Keith over here, aka Fatkat, got them now. He cleaned off the part over there because they had to reglue because it was coming off as well. Like this part right here was coming off. So sticking to the splitter. So now I'm gonna put it back on there and see how it fits, how it works. All right, man, so there it goes. So he put them on there again. Oh, put these back on there. The seam is in the back. I think he did put like a little bit of just a little bit of crazy glue or super glue on it. So hopefully it doesn't come off, man. So what was happening was, again, like I told you guys, man, because it wasn't all the way, and it was just in the back, it wasn't like overlapped, it kept coming off. So hopefully with this one, it stays on. Let's see what happens. I think it looks good though, man. Good stuff. That's the man right there. That's the man. By the way, man, like I was just talking to him about, he is not a shop, guys. I know some of you guys are hitting me up about, can he put this on or put that on? He's not a shop, man. He's just somebody who, oh damn, ran into the BMW. Sorry, but they had the Polar's eye come arrest me. Anyway, man, but he's not a shop, man. He's just a friend, and he, helps me out here and put stuff on or whatever. But he's not an actual shop, so he did a favor for another subscriber of mine. You guys seen Knuckle Up 392, and he may do a few more, but you know, he's not like a shop that he's here every day doing all this stuff, man. He has his own thing going on. He runs a business, a company, and everything else. So he just does this on his free time pretty much. So there you go. But I greatly appreciate him, that's for sure. Man, damn, she looks good through the camera.
She does look good.
Look at that. Look through the camera.
She look red over here. Looks the same car.
Look at that. That's another thing. He always be messing with me, man, because my car is not. She's photogenic. She looks good, but in pictures, like on my IG, man, she always looks red. So we basically have the same car, other than obviously that's a Hellcat, but the same color car on Instagram pretty much. My car looks straight tour red on Instagram, man. But anyway, there you go, man. So she's pretty much done. That's all I got, man. Oh, I didn't show you this. Look at this. Huh? No, look at this.
The blue one?
You don't see it?
Oh, I got you.
You see that?
Yeah,
Hey, man.
I got you.
Oh, who's that? It's probably my wife
You
calling.
did that for her?
That is my wife. No, I did that.
There's lights on
Look,
it?
I'm not that incompetent.
There's lights on it?
Hello? Yeah, there's pedal lights on behind the door or under the door. When's the last time you turned this on?
Saturday.
Saturday was today. Tuesday? All right, man. So he's gonna do a cold start of his Hellcat, but it isn't. What do you have? You just got the tips on it, right? You got MIM up delete. You got MIM up delete, man, on his Hellcat. So he's gonna do a cold start. Let's see. She does sound good though. She does sound good. Mine's louder though.
I know.
But
When I get straight pipes.
that's just my dog. That just means mine is literally all bark, no bite.
I think they're gonna stick this time.
Hopefully, man. If I come back, I'm gonna have to sue you.
This one.
I'm gonna have to sue you for
Three times.
Huh?
3 times.
yeah, 3 times, and you're gonna see I'm gonna send my lawyer next time. Nah, it's all good though, man. Always a good time to come see Tori, Cat, and Keith, man. He hooks me up all the time. We also did something else we can't talk about right now, but we did something else that I will show you guys in the future. But it's pretty cool, man. I think you guys will like it. Something temporary, because I'm still gonna get something to replace that, but for now it's something good to have. So I'll show you guys in another video. Anyway, man, I think that's it, man. You got things you want to say? Anybody want to say anything to anybody? Peace out. You want to shout out your Instagram and all that good stuff, man? You know, I'll be telling everybody to shout out their stuff.
Torrid cat.
Torrid Cat.
Torrid cat.
Not to be confused with that, with orange. It is actually Torrid. There you go, man. Torrid Cat. If you guys didn't know, there it goes right there. Got some dope pictures and everything else, man. This thing is. He doesn't even drive this thing. How many miles you got on it?
Right at 9.
9,000, and it's a 2018, right?
I've had it about a year and a month.
You want to guess how many miles I got?
13, 14.
Almost. Like it's like 14,009. About to hit 15,000 miles.
19.
So I bought it in January.
Dang.
Yeah, man.
I've had mine a year and a month.
I've had mine we're going on 7 months. And I got almost 15,000 miles. She's not a garage queen.
Mine is.
No, it's all good though, man. But this is my daily driver. I wish. Remember, I traded in. I had 2 cars I traded in for this one, just to make sure I got, you know, I was down to where I wanted to be. But I need to go buy another car so I can just leave this one in the garage.
Yeah.
Take it out for shows like you guys.
I'll drive it for a week or so, then I'll put it up for a week or 2. And I'll drive it for a week.
But you have that luxury. Anyway, man, that's it for this video. Appreciate you guys for joining, man. I think I'm gonna turn off my demon eyes on the way home because he keeps saying I'm gonna get pulled over.
You can't put them no other color?
Because yes,
Well, you can run them any color you want, just not blue or red.
But I like the way that looks though.
Well, I'm just saying.
Doesn't that look good?
Yes, it looks good. Well, I just want you to get a ticket.
Well, now that he keeps putting that bad juju on me, now I'm gonna have to turn them off. I've been driving with them for the last 3 days like that. Nobody's ever saying anything. But now,
Red, look it up. Red or blue.
I know, but it's not flashing though.
It doesn't matter. It just says any light, red or blue.
I know what the rule book says, but I'm a rebel and I'm like whatever. But at the end of the day, once somebody starts saying it, now it's gonna happen. So now I gotta turn them off or put them another color. Anyway, man. Other than that, well, it's not gonna look good. We'll play with it here in a little bit and see what it is. Anyway, I appreciate you guys for watching this video, man. Christine getting right as usual. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit the notification bell. August 11th, Margaritaville, 11 o'clock a.m. to 2 o'clock. Rock and Brews. Damn, I'm sweating like a mother.
Isn't it the bar? Isn't the bar's Rock and Blues?
Yeah, well, it's the Rock and Brews parking lot. Right. So, you know, if you guys want, you guys go inside to eat or whatever, or I'm probably going to end up eating afterwards in that location, man. But anyway, it's the Rock and Brews parking lot at Margaritaville in Kissimmee, man. So make sure you guys go out there and support and everything else, man. Check us out. He will be out there along with most likely Chase and then his other friend that will also be out there supporting everything else, man. So make sure you guys come out, man. You guys are going to meet a lot of people that you guys see on the channel. They're pretty much going to be out there as well, man. So make sure you guys go out there and check it out, man. It's going to be a dope time. Anyway, other than that, again, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You guys know me, boy Fatkat, man. We'll see you guys on the next one. Later.